Hey, Chad, did you know that you could get great leads in your HubSpot portal by tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow or today.
Tomorrow or today.
Yeah,
Okay, when?
now or later.
Oh, like the candy.
No, in HubSpot.
Mm,
Okay, Internet, let's get some leads now.
I'm Chad with See HubSpot Run, a platinum HubSpot partner. The simple truth is that you can pay a low fee using a software known as UpLead to get great leads in your CRM right now.
Wait, it's not free?
No, I mean, getting leads is never truly free, right? You're going to have to pay a little bit. Anything free in life is kind of like a timeshare event. Is it really free? But of all the lead services we tried, UpLead has a great customer service. They have a good platform integration, and they actually would paired with good strategies. It actually works out really, really well.
Great strategies. So you mean like our warm leads workshop? Like we teach people for free how to take those leads and then make them warm?
Yes,
That
that
kind
is
of
the one.
strategy.
Okay, Internet, let me show you how to get leads in your portal now. Not tomorrow, now. All right, guys, as you can see here, we're the UpLead homepage, and pretty much everything you can access in the tool is on this sidebar. The top three things we're going to focus on today are your contact search, your company search, and my lists. So let's look at the contact search. You can drill down by industry. You can do titles, locations, whatever you need to find your audience. You can look it up here. And you can do the same thing. If you want to target a specific company, you can do so with the exact same filters, but using a company search if you want to target just a company itself. And finally, let's look at My Lists. My Lists is a great tool because if you find companies that you're interested in or contacts, you can always create a list. You can name it, and you can start populating contacts in it. And it'll give you who it's created by, the users in UpLead, their names, give you the upload date, and it'll give you a set of actions where you can export the list or view the list. So how do we get great leads into our CRM? Well, that's the whole reason we made this video. We have a list here, as you can see, and on the right column, you see actions. For you guys, if you don't already have HubSpot set up, you'll see CRM. You'll click on that and you can easily connect HubSpot. If you want to, you can go through individual contacts and then you can export them to HubSpot, or you can export them all in bulk.
Cool. So, what do you do with the leads once they're in HubSpot?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. It's kind of like we wrote this in the script. Okay, so what you do is you take your cold leads and you warm them up into warm leads. So that prompts us to the next phase, which is our warm leads workshop. And you should come to it. It's totally free. It's not like a timeshare. We're not going to try to sell you anything. We're just going to try to deliver you some value.
And that is it. So don't forget to subscribe to more HubSpot sales content just like this. See you next time.